Hi, and welcome to the workshop on proofreading. In this workshop, we will break down the 4 main techniques used for proofing a paper, whether it be your own or someone else's. Proofreading is important because it is how you catch errors within your work, ranging from mistakes in grammar, punctuation, spelling, and vocabulary. Here are the 4 techniques that can help you proofread. Reading your paper aloud. Sometimes when we write, we have a tendency to skip over words or add extra ones. Reading your paper aloud helps make a connection between the idea you have in your head and what is transcribed on the paper. It's a good idea to print out your paper so you can physically mark any mistakes or corrections while you read, and then come back and edit them. Having someone else read your paper offers you an outside perspective that can point out things that you might have missed. Sometimes what makes sense to you, the writer, may appear confusing to an outsider. Read your paper backwards. Starting with the last word of the last paragraph and moving up forces you to slow down and really pay attention to each individual word, which can help point out spelling and punctuation errors. Take your time. Giving yourself a break before proofreading gives your brain time to defamiliarize itself with what you've written, making it easier for you to take on a reader's point of view. You can also proofread one paragraph at a time, taking a small break in between each one to give yourself time to relax before you continue working. You may find it helpful to make a checklist of errors to look for in your paper and then go through your paper a couple of times, each time focusing on one of the points on your checklist. Only focusing on one issue at a time makes the whole proofreading process go a lot smoother and helps make sure you don't miss any one thing. As we mentioned earlier, it helps to have someone else look at your paper, and there's no better place to come than to the ARC. We have tutors who have taken a variety of courses and are trained in proofreading and looking for certain aspects in your work to ensure your writing is clear and answering all aspects of the rubric. If you would like to visit the ARC, our office hours are below. For more information on how to access our services remotely, please visit the John Tyler website. We have now reached the end of this workshop. Hopefully you now have a better understanding about how to go about proofreading.